Welcome to Technotech. Today I will show you how you can delete your Windows.Old file from drive C. Let's start. First of all, go to my computer and then go to Windows C. There you can show that Windows.Old file. It cannot be deleted but some problem for permission problem. Okay. First of all, there click left. Then go to properties. Okay. Then in there we can get security reason. Okay, it takes some time. Then go to security settings. In there we can select advanced. Okay, then we can select user. Sorry, change the permission. In there select advanced. Find now. In there you can use just user or everyone, which you can select. Okay, then press OK. In there replace and also there, and yes, it will be take time sometimes. It can change just ownership of the permission, and when change the permission, then you can easily delete this file from your computer. Okay, okay, then I'll give a permission allow. Okay, select Windows.Old file, then delete. Just some few files are there because of working condition. Okay, you will get approximately 30 GB space. Please then reset, restart again. Okay.